Good evening, everybody. So tonight we're going to talk about our severe weather potential. So we're going to go to the day one outlook. Here's that current day one. Got severe weather ongoing at the moment, and see this severe weather ongoing. Oh, my camera's bad. So we're gonna. Oh, gee. So sorry about that. So this is the current outlook. So we're gonna go over your categorical risk. So this is tonight's area. I can zoom in for you. There you go. See that? So this is the ongoing severe weather risk over Kansas tonight. So we got severe thunderstorm warning here. So we got a severe thunderstorm watch for very large hail. So this is tonight's severe weather threat, guys. But we're gonna go to day two. For day two, we're gonna go to probabilistic. So this is the day 3 outlook. You can see this day 3 outlook, guys. There's a slight risk for severe weather for Texas tomorrow. I think this could get extended up to the north a little bit, but what I'm going to start concerning about this is the day 4 Storm Prediction Center outlook. So what we got to be paying attention for is Monday into Tuesday. This is the zone. I'm gonna circle the zone for you. This zone right here. That's the zone I circled. That's the risk area. That's that risk zone. See that circle where the risk is located? So if you live in any of these areas, you're going to see all hazards of severe weather. But like everybody's been saying, this will be the least significant of those days. If we go to the day 5 outlook, we're going to go to the drawing thing, delete the drawing, and here, this is the day 5. But what's concerning is what's coming on Tuesday. They're talking that potential for an all-out potential tornado outbreak. And here in a few minutes, we're going to dive through the model. So this is the zone. So I'm going to start from south to north. So if you live in Fort Worth, Dallas, McKinley, if you live in Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Missouri, and it goes all the way up to Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Cloud, it goes even all the way up to Wisconsin. All modes of severe weather will be likely in this yellow shaded region here. This is the zone to be on high weather alert for. So this includes the whole entire state of Iowa, southern portions of Minnesota, eastern Wisconsin, and central to eastern Oklahoma. Got a special statement there. Eastern Oklahoma, Fort Worth, Dallas, and then if we go to the day, we got a day 6 outlook. This is the area to be watching for a potential outbreak, like a severe weather outbreak, including the potential for strong, long-tracked tornadoes. And some models are mentioning the potential for violent tornadoes. Don't know about that yet, but we'll have to see about that. So they're saying this area right here could have a potential upgrade. So we're going to go to Tuesday. We're definitely going to Tuesday on this model. Tuesday. 48 million, almost 50 million people in this risk on Tuesday. So this is what we're going to talk about. So let's go into the so there's a description. This is what it's saying. On Sunday, day 4 to day 3 Tuesdays, it says Sunday. On Sunday, a southwesterly mid-level flow will be in place across much of the nation at the surface. That's right, the surface. A moist air mass will be located from the southern plains northeastern into the upper Midwest. And much of the quarter is forecast to be moderately unstable. After the greatest potential for severe storms will likely be in the southern and central plains, where some solutions have a short-lived trough, moderate deep layer shear. Steep lapse rates will be favorable for supercells. Okay, but Tuesday, guys, is what's getting people. I'm hyped about this day right here. It says it right there. Upgrade to an enhanced risk, guys. A 30 out of a 30 out of 5. Like that's the next risk up. That's an enhanced. So we might wake up tomorrow morning with somewhere in this zone for an enhanced risk of severe weather. So that's what's interesting. And then we're going to check tonight's models. We're going to go to the models. We're going to go to the RFS rapid refresh model. So we're going to go to this is the 0Z. We're going to go to we're actually going to have to go to the GFS tonight because can't get the full model out. But we're going to go to the surface base cape and we're going to discuss this zone down here. So we're gonna go through the days. We're not gonna let this whole model go out. So when I'm gonna stop it, okay, hold on. So this is the 9th. This is gonna be up. There's that quarter. You can see that quarter right there. That's that cape. But we're gonna have to watch. Yeah, look at that, right there over Iowa. Oh, there it is. Right there's the bullseye. Yep, right there. Yep, right in that zone. Could be very significant. There's even cape into Pennsylvania, guys. So we could see severe weather into Pennsylvania. But that's where I live. But we're going to go to the, you know what we need to check out too? Our surface dew points. Look at the dew points, guys. This is a big old warm sector. So Tuesday might have the potential. Look, we even got 60 dew points into Pennsylvania. That's how big this warm sector actually is. That's huge, guys. A huge sector. Look at that. That sector is very huge. What I'm saying, that's what's going to cause us significant severe weather. So we're going to have to watch that. And if we go to the temperatures, we're going to go to the temperature. See that? Look at that. Look how warm, guys. Look how warm that is. Yep, so this is the huge warm sector, okay? I'm gonna stop it. Oh my gosh. You can see the huge warm sector, by the way. And
Go, cat.
So you can see, look, it's gonna continue all month. We're gonna be talking about severe weather every single day, by the way. Hey, quit. You see, look, it's going to be warm. Look at how warm. See, we're going to go. It just continues, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Multiple severe weather events, guys. It's going to
burning.
Very active April, guys.
Does that smell like a house fire?
I don't know. But you can see this very, very warm air mass, guys. So we're going to have plenty of opportunities for severe weather. We're going to show you the whole thing to show you what I'm saying. We're going to zoom out and show you this constant. Look at that moisture. Watch this. This is starting. This is today, right there where severe weather is occurring. Here goes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then look. It just continues, dude. Look at that. It just continues on and on. Look. Could my region see severe weather out of these events? Most definitely they could. Look at that sector. That's incredible. Look at the 60. There's the dew points, guys. Look at that. That's to 23rd of April. It continues from now till the 23rd of April. And what do you know? It continues then too. So yes, everybody, there's going to be an impactful event. So there's a day 4 outlook, a day 5, day 6, day 7 too. Wouldn't be surprised if we get a day 8 as well. Just saying, this is a very active stretch of weather. And guess what? If we go to the wind shear, we're gonna check out the wind shear on this too, where the moisture overlaps. Okay, we're gonna see. So this is April 10th. This is the 9th. This is Saturday. See, it increases. And then we go, look at this. Look at the wind shear. It overlaps see the dew points? Yep, it overlaps the dew points, guys. See that zone? So we could see all hazards. So we're going to have to check to wait till the latest the 0Z H triple, or we're going to wait to the RFS model. We're going to go to the RFS Gonna look at our model. So it only goes out so much, but see it. That's current. See, you can already see the moisture return. You can already see the actual moisture return take place. And that's exactly what we say. The moisture return takes place. And yeah, so all across the country you could see a potentially hazards through weather outbreak. So this is definitely gonna, like I said, each day there's gonna be, it's like day 4. Here's your city and states that are in the risk: Dallas, Texas; Austin, Fort Worth, Oklahoma City, and Tulsa. 14 million. The next day, day 5, 28 mil. Dallas, Texas; Fort Worth, Oklahoma City, and Omaha, Nebraska. Yep, Nebraska's in this even. And look, there's Minneapolis. Look at that. Tulsa, Oklahoma City, and Dallas. Dallas is going to be in a risk for days straight, guys. Look, Dallas is in it again. Des Moines is in it again. Nebraska is in it again. Even Chicago. Yep, Chicago, you're in it. The 6th and the day 7 outlook, folks. So this is a very big zone. Like I said, this is the zone where we could see an upgrade to an enhanced risk. So what I'm saying, folks, is that the potential is there for an all-hazard like event. And I'm telling y'all, folks, it's going to be very interesting to see that. And we're gonna go to the. Yep, this is the run. This is the current model. I will have another update later tonight on this update. So we're gonna go back to our outlook over here, and that's the outlook, guys. That's a big area. I can zoom in for you. Yep. Put the cities back on. There's that outlook right there. That's a big area. So that's the zone they're talking about, an enhanced risk. You know, if you go to the CSU outlook, this is where I also go to check these areas. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Yeah, I got it. Look at that. It extends well into, like I said, it just, like I said, I guarantee it out tomorrow will be upgraded. So there it is, folks. There you have it. There you have it.